Hi everyone, welcome back to Grandpa Mark's Hobbies and an unboxing of a kit. I was told this is a care package coming to me from Jim Pelosi, and I mean he's the master of um, resin. He's sent me so many different resin things. I have no idea though what is in here. So let's see. Oh, sundresses are in. Let's see what's in here. Oh, awesome. Let me pull this out. That's why he said this end up. Very cool. All right. I just did the Bronco not too long ago, and it worked out great until the very end, and then things kind of unraveled a little bit. And look what he says here. Here's your chance at redemption. You could fix the couple of issues you had and even change the year. Oh, I could too. I'd like to see a little dirt on this one. Hey, we can do that too. I'm going to pause you just for a second. Okay. Am I not focusing? There we go. Like I said, I had a really good time building this kit. It went okay, but I got into, like I said, right at the end, I got into some problems. Here's the one I just did. I'll pull you down a little bit. Here's the one I just did. And like I said, everything pretty much went good. This is Tamiya Paints, and I did have some problems that I just chalk it up for me and Tamiya Paints. But I did have some problems with the decals on it. This one fell in really good, but these were a little bit brittle right on the edges where I had to do some touch-ups, which is no big deal, to be honest with you. I don't mind doing that. But what got me are these windows right here. They fought me tooth and nail, and to be honest with you, there's still, if you look, there's still got gaposis in there to where they're just not right, and it was the whole end fitting thing that got me. And I said, if I ever get a chance to do this again, I'm going to do it the right way. So, Jim, I appreciate it. It's going to be the right way, buddy. I had some problems, too, with the battery. Now, this is a dead battery. I thought it through pretty good, but it just didn't work out 100%. But it was fun to do, and I will light the other one up, and I will dirty it. I'm wondering if I should. No, I was thinking about doing the same color, but no, I don't want to do the same color. We'll do this a completely different build. I did love these. It's a fun kit to build. I won't have any problem jumping back on and doing it again. But like I said, see how that window just doesn't quite do it. And at the end is when I figured out that I should have been thinking ahead. And I was even warned that you need the glass to line this up right here. This needs to be set up to line this up. And I was good with that. But like I said, it just did not work out 100% the way I wanted, and now I get to try it again, and I really super appreciate that. What do you think? Let's throw it into the comments. This is blue and white. What are we going to do with the next color? Let me know what you guys want to see, and we'll go with that. But I'm telling you, he said he wanted to see dirt on them tires. I have another kit over here. I haven't done an unboxing yet, and I was going to do this with dirt on them tires. I was going to make it dirty, but instead, well, we'll probably do both of them. But for sure, this one's going to get run through the mud. Okay, everyone, I have to bring you back here before we call this quits, because I was texting Jim, and I said, man, thank you very much for all this. And he goes, did you take everything out of the box yet? And I said, no, I did not. He goes, huh. So let's take everything out of the box and see what he's talking about. I do love the tires. Oh, hey, by the way, your tires have the tire pins in the dang bag. That's why mine disappeared. There's your 2 tire pins. So heads up, everybody. They can disappear. They fit. Look at that. There's the 3rd one. They fall into the tire. And if you're not thinking, you cut this open, you pull the tires out, those things are still, and they just end up being gone. And if you look, I swear, they look just like little carpet tacks. So, but remember the last time I couldn't find them, and now I know why. So, okay. Let's dig in here. We got the body, the whole bag of parts, and but wait, there's more on the chrome. And I'm thinking, okay, and this is as far as I got. I was like, nope, we're gonna put this all back in, and I'm gonna video it. Another chance at redemption, and me literally giving you the finger. Check it out. I can't find my flying finger anywhere. I don't know where it went, and I keep saying that. So he hooked me up. These are so cool. Now we got the finger back. Awesome. And like I said, he is 1/8 goodies. He is the master. Wow. Wow. Of resin. Look at the fan. I want to take this out of the bag, but I'm afraid to, because I'm afraid I'll mess it up trying to put it back in. Look at how thin that fan blade is. Jeez, oh Pete. There's 2 of them in there. Wow. Man, oh man. And then we got our voltage regulator and fuel pumps and the bucket lights. You'll see what these are for here in a little bit. I'm still trying to clear off space just so I can do the unboxings. And I did say unboxings. Nice. Oh, I'm so excited. That's crazy. Look at the detail. That is amazing. Look at fuel pumps. He says that the 8th kits don't come with fuel pumps. Look at that thing. It's awesome. All right. And another chance at redemption. Oh, no, you did not. Here's the motorcycle kit that I never finished. My front forks were all goobered up. And there's the tires for it. But my front forks were all goobered up to where there was no way in green earth that you would have been able to make those tires fit on that thing. I actually sent the part that I had built to DG, and our wonderful post office said, no, you're not, and it disappeared. Second thing now that I've sent USPS that's gone. No clue. Last thing I'm sending USPS now. So, yeah, we're going to... Got the motorcycle. Oh, yeah, this is so cool. Here's our glass. I have a good idea for this glass that's going to save us a buku of problems in the end. But wait, there's more. Oh, this is so cool. like I said, I have to do one. I'll be bringing up here and doing an unboxing of it here real soon. There is an unboxing of this Bronco kit. If you look back in my videos, look at, I got multicolored fingers. Thank you, Jim. You really did make my day. Wow, that's amazing. But anyhow, I'm going to send a plug in for Gallery because I'm telling you, their new paints, their airbrushes, they're a game changer for me. And we'll use the new Gallery paints on this, and I'm really excited about it. Let's thank our veterans, our active duty people, and our first responders, because without them, we can't do what we're doing right now. So I salute every one of you. Also, let's not forget October 11th is going to be a 24-hour group build for breast cancer and the American Cancer Society. I have a GoFundMe down below. If you want to donate right now, you can. Or if you want to wait until the day of the group build, go ahead. And now with that, I will let y'all go. Again, thank you, Jim. This is awesome. I can't wait to get back into it. And I will see everybody soon. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and a better tomorrow.